If you're running Amazon PPC right now, I want to ask you something honestly. Do you actually know where your ad spend is going? Not roughly, not I think so, actually no. If the honest answer is no, you're not alone. It's not your fault. I'm going to show you exactly why in the next few minutes. I'm Dr. Travis Zigler. In the summer of 2017, I decided we were going all in on Amazon Prime Day. I poured every dollar and every ounce of credit we had into inventory. Then the FDA seized $150,000 of it at customs. I panicked airshipped more inventory to make up for it. It showed up late, Amazon canceled all our lightning deals, and I ended up staring at a bank account with $1,000 left in it and over $100,000 due. That's the moment I learned something that changed everything for me. Revenue means nothing if you can't see where your money is actually going. I went back through every single campaign, every product, every search term, and Pareto's principle smacked me in the face. 80% of my revenue was coming from just 20% of my products. 80% of my ad sales were coming from just 20% of my search terms. I had over 70 SKUs and I cut it down to 5. That single shift is what took my brand to $500,000 per month. And it's a huge part of why we sold our business for a multi-million-dollar exit in 2021. Now here's the problem. Finding your real top 20% used to take me hours in spreadsheets, or it meant paying an agency thousands of dollars a month to do that analysis for me, which is exactly what I did for hundreds of clients after building my agency Profitable Pineapple Ads in 2018. Most sellers are stuck choosing between these two options: hours you don't have or thousands of dollars you don't have to spend. Then AI changed the game. And I'm not talking about ChatGPT hype AI. I mean actually sitting down with Claude, feeding it your real Amazon reports, and having it do in minutes what used to take me and my team hours to do. And here's the part that matters most. It's your AI. It's your employee. It's not some black box tool that you rent for $500 a month or $2,000 a month that you can't see the inside of. You stay in the driver's seat, Claude just does the digging. That's what the next 4 days are. Over 4 live sessions, I'm handing you the exact Claude skills I use in my own agency. Day 1, you're going to find the real top 20% of your products in your search terms. The exact leaks costing you money right now. Day 2, you'll learn why chasing a low ACoS is actually working against you and how to find the keywords secretly building your organic rank. Day 3, you're going to build real, ready to upload scaling campaigns, plus the exact formula for what to bid on each one, so you're never guessing again. Day 4, I'll show you the channel that takes sellers past the ceiling PPC alone creates, and you'll decide whether you run all of this yourself or have my team run it for you. Again, I'm Dr. Travis Zigler. My wife, Dr. Jen, and I built iLove to $500,000 a month and sold it in 2021. I've run an agency called Profitable Pineapple Ads since 2018, managing PPC, Amazon PPC, Amazon DSP, TikTok ads, and Google ads for hundreds of real clients. Additionally, my partner Deacon Bradley and I are building Freedom Brands into a $100 million portfolio company, which funds my passion project, which is the I Believe Foundation, and we're trying to eradicate the 1 billion people that are blind due to lack of glasses. Now, this isn't a course you're going to watch. This is 4 days of real work live with me using AI skills worth over $2,000. You don't need to be technical. You don't need to love spreadsheets. And honestly, I don't either, which is exactly why I built this around Claude instead of a spreadsheet in the first place. You just need to show up. You need to bring your reports, and you need to let Claude do what it does best. Click below, grab your seat, and I'll see you live.